Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 12 Larchmont Avenue here in North Providence, Rhode Island. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom townhouse style apartment. Brand new, renovated, everything. I mean, from top to bottom, this includes brand new flooring, fresh paint, new appliances, and much more. So let's begin our walkthrough here as you enter your main entryway, which leads straight into the kitchen area. So, kitchen of course houses that brand new vinyl wood flooring you see, of course the paint job as well. But along with that, the kitchen also houses brand new cabinetry top to bottom, brand new countertop, and brand new appliances. This will include your brand new medium-sized stainless steel refrigerator, the newer 4-burner glass top stainless steel stove and oven, and the single bin stainless steel sink. Along with that, kitchen houses a couple of extra outlets for other kitchen plug-ins, plenty of room for a small to medium-sized dining set, and a wide open window, lots of sunshine coming in along with street views. Again, this kitchen's pretty centralized. It does house the main entryway to the unit, leads to the basement as well. Private basement, perfect for storage, and houses laundry hookups down there, and is connected to the living room. Speaking of which, let's check out the living room next. So, your living space again, fresh paint, new floors. You have the glass sliding door that leads to your little backyard space, perfect for a couple lawn chairs or what have you. But this living area houses plenty of room for any kind of furniture setup you like to have. Good amount of outlets as well for electronics, entertainment system, TV, what have you. And I think this could also maybe double as a dining room if you choose to use it as that, but will most likely end up being used as your living space. Again, perfect amount of space for multiple different furniture setups. Excellent. That's basically it for the first floor. Let's head upstairs, which will house the bathroom and 2 bedrooms. And we'll start by checking out the bedrooms first. All right, so we'll check out the bigger of the 2 bedrooms. This is basically the master bedroom, bigger than the second bedroom, should be able to easily fit a queen king bed set. I don't think you should have any problem at all putting a pretty big bed set in here. Again, brand new floorings and fresh paint, and the master bedroom also houses 2 different closets. So you have one here in this corner, and you probably saw the other one earlier as we looked in. So 2 closets, brand new flooring, brand new paint, perfect for king, queen bed sets. And now we'll check out the second bedroom. This bedroom's a little bit smaller than that one, but I still think you'll easily be able to fit a standard to full-size bed set in here. Brand new flooring, brand new paint, and its own closet. Again, standard full Excel bed set is good. Maybe you could even swing a queen in here. I think if you do put a queen in here, it will take up most of the space though. So I think this perfectly works as a children's bedroom, and or if you're just a couple or a single person, this is perfect as your office area. All right, lastly, let's check out the bathroom. So bathroom houses a brand new tile flooring instead of the vinyl wood flooring you saw throughout the unit, but it's been completely redone and renovated. This includes the tub with this brand new tile walling around it. It looks awesome. Really modern looking, full tub and shower. And further in, you have your brand new sink vanity and mirror, all cleaned up nice. All right. So once again, this is 12 Larchmont Avenue, located in North Providence, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody as always to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have provided on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.